Mr. Speaker, if I may, for a brief moment, pay tribute to a young man who is recently passed away, and as I speak, has been laid to rest in the Super Cemetery. Before I respond to the question, Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to take a brief moment to honor the life and contribution of the late Captain Mosese Rolonga, a son of Fiji who gave many years of his life in service to our nation and to our people. He is from the beautiful island of Matuku. Captain Mosese served for 21 years as a civil servant with the government shipping services, and during that time qualified as a captain in 2010. He had a life shaped by duty, responsibility, and service to our seas. From 2022 to 2026, Captain Mosese also served with youth with the mission ships at Aotearoa aboard the Youth in the Mission Foha. This is a medical ship that has a close cooperation with the Ministry of Health. They are now working in our seas, Mr. Speaker, sir. They have just returned from Bonuambalau after their trip in Taviani. They are now working in Bua and Maduata before Yasawa and then back to New Zealand. As patron of the youth of the mission ships at Aotearoa, I had the privilege of knowing Captain Mosese and witnessing firsthand the professionalism, commitment, and deep knowledge of Fiji's waters. For 21 years, Captain Mosese served the government of Fiji on our seas. In the final years of his life, he used that same experience to help take health care and hope to some of our most isolated communities. I say binakaba lebu to Captain Mosese Rolonga. Fiji thanks you for your 21 years of public service, for the communities you helped reach, and for the example of a quiet, faithful service you leave behind. To your wife, and to the young son and your family, we extend our deepest condolences. May you rest in eternal peace. Vinaksak. Mr. Speaker, sir, the police clearance service is among the most in-demand services delivered by the Fiji Police Force. It not only supports citizens in accessing employment, travel, and other opportunities, but also serves as an important source of revenue for the state. Mr. Speaker, sir, a police clearance certificate is an official document confirming whether an applicant has any criminal record in Fiji. This is a requirement for employment, visa, residency applications, study abroad, to name a few. Mr. Speaker, in 2024, the Fiji Police Force processed a total of 44,212 applications with a total revenue earning of $3.8 million. Last year, these numbers increased by 8,482. A total of 694,000 applications were successfully processed, generating a total earning of $4.3 million. Mr. Speaker, sir, let me now turn to how do you process an application. This is also clearly explained in the Fiji Police Force website, official website, clearly articulated. Applicants can obtain the prescribed application form from the Police Clearance Office at the Fiji Police Force headquarters in Suva, or from selected police stations accessed from the Fiji Police Force or from the Fiji Police Force webpage. If an applicant, you are required to complete the form and provide the appropriate supporting documents such as, to name a few, a recent passport size photograph, a certified copy of a valid photo identification, a proof of address if required. Then you submit the application, and where required, in some cases, provide fingerprints. Applicants are then required to pay the prescribed fee at the designated revenue collector's office from the Fiji Police Force headquarters and selected police stations. It is important for applicants to retain a copy of the payment receipts, as this may be required when making follow-up or tracking your application. Once the clearance is processed, it will only be emailed and posted to the relevant organization or agency that requested a police clearance. Applicants can follow up on the status of the applications through landline numbers and email address provided on the Fiji Police Force official website or the number 9905201 and not to the Commissioner. Mr. Speaker, sir, for overseas police clearance, the application form can be accessed from the Fiji Police Force website or obtained from the nearest Fiji High Commission, embassy, or consulate. Mr. Speaker, sir, we have had a few challenges on overseas applications. This has been addressed, and I can talk more of that, but at this point in time, the details are clearly explained in the Fiji Police website. Thank you, sir.